Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. After a very heavy storm that happened just maybe 2 hours, maybe 1 hour ago, I think 2 hours ago. So let's go out and have a look what is here. Now let's go to have a look what is happening on the other side of the building. There, from the window, I saw a huge tree on the pavement. What is the problem with those trees? We have a lot of them. In Russian it is called toполь. And they have almost no root system. The root is very small, and that is why they fall very fast and very often. You see, such a very huge tree and almost no root system. Toполь grows very fast, and in the times of the Soviet Union it was a very popular tree to plant because they grow fast and it gives a lot of greenery. But then people understood that it is not a very good solution and they stopped planting it. And those trees, those are old trees. They are here for a long time. But in the times of the Soviet Union, they cut every year. Every year, the city authorities cut the tree, so just a small trunk was left. Now no one is doing this, and we see what we see. The trees fall. And luckily no one was killed. The electricity cable here. So, and that is a small branch over here. So guys, we continue our sad trip today. What we see here, also some big branch, but that is not the branch, guys, that is half of the tree. You see over there, half of the tree is fallen. And some damage here also. This hurricane or strong wind lasted maybe for, I don't know, for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, so not very long time. I go to the center of the city, to the drugstore. Oh guys, what I see from here, over there also a lot of trees fallen. I have to go to my dacha to have a look. But honestly speaking, I'm afraid. That is our Alley of Heroes, Аллея Героев, the center of Фрязино. And what we see here, the same situation. A big branch. Ah no, that is the whole tree, almost in the middle. I remember Bradley told me not to go under fallen trees, so let's go there. Bradley says that is bad luck, so let's go this way. Oh, over there some other damage. One more tree is here, fallen tree. And over there. And here, guys, also tiles I wonder from where, because the roof is far from this place. 4 o'clock, but a huge traffic jam. That is because many fallen trees on the roads. That is our city hospital, also fallen trees here, but no other damage as far as I see. A huge fallen tree near the polyclinic. That is the main entrance to the polyclinic. As far as I see, only broken branches, guys, and fallen trees. And mostly old trees. Again, guys, a fallen tree, and again a broken one. Some fallen metal construction, but I'm not sure that it is because of the hurricane. I think it is for some time here. That is Prospect Mira, the main street of Fryazino. Here everything must be okay. Here, guys, just small branches, so no damage here. That is good. The green light, but almost no movement. So, guys, in general, everything is fine. As far as I may see, not a big damage, at least in my area. The traditional swimming here, guys, but that is after any heavy rain. And big puddles everywhere, guys, but that is after any big rain. Kids have fun on fallen trees. also the old tree, and some time ago they cut a few branches and left 2 or 3 big branches, and those branches killed the whole tree. And that is, guys, the chimney from the roof. People stop and take pictures. A lot of people take pictures of fallen trees, of some damage. I wonder, guys, what about our roof? We have so many problems with the roof. It leaks almost every year. This year, luckily, they could make a good renovation of it, so it doesn't leak. But after such hurricane, who knows? Now we will go with you to the park where we walk with Sheffy almost every day. Let's have a look what is there. To take Sheffy now is not a good idea because a lot of puddles and Sheffy will be wet. About 2 hours after the rain, and they are already cleaning very fast. That is the park where we walk with Sheffy, and here almost no damage, because here they took care of the trees some time ago. Mostly here are linden, or how are they called, I don't know, lipe. So guys, we made a big circle around the city with you. Not a very nice trip, I should say. Even a sad one. But luckily not a very big damage. The hurricane was very small. The wind, or hurricane, so strong wind, let it be strong wind. About 25 meters per second. There was the text on my cell phone, and now I have to pull all my thoughts together and go to my dacha. We have a broken tree that Alex tried to repair last year. I think it didn't survive, but who knows. The woodcutters came. You hear the sound. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you soon. Пока.